Want all web links on your Samsung phone to open in Google Chrome automatically? Setting Chrome as your default browser is quick and easy. Follow the simple steps below to switch from Samsung Internet and enjoy a faster, more personalized browsing experience. Start by unlocking your Samsung phone and opening the settings page. You can access it by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon, or by finding the Settings app in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Apps, then tap it to continue. On the app screen, look for Choose Default Apps or Default Apps depending on your Samsung model and Android version. Next, tap Browser app to view all the web browsers currently installed on your device. Select Google Chrome from the list. Your phone will save the change instantly, so there is no need to press a save button or restart your device. From that moment on, links you open from emails, text messages, social media apps, or other applications will automatically launch in Google Chrome instead of another browser. If Chrome does not appear in the list, make sure it is installed from the Google Play Store and updated to the latest version. An updated browser offers better security, improved speed, and access to the newest features. You should also confirm that Chrome is enabled in your app settings. After completing these steps, your Samsung phone will use Google Chrome as the default browser, giving you a familiar browsing experience with automatic syncing of bookmarks, saved passwords, and browsing history whenever you're signed into your Google account. It's a simple change that can make everyday web browsing more convenient and efficient.